What's good? What's good? So this is 2017 Ford Escape. We're gonna do the electric water pump on it. Get prepared with all your stuff. It's a simple process. It's not that bad at all. Hey, make sure y'all follow me on Spotify. Jose AP. That's my artist little page I got going on. I do that as a hobby. It's something that I enjoy doing, and some of y'all might like it, some of y'all might not, but it's a little something, man. That's a little hobby I got going on, but it's all good, man. Look, so what we do here is take off that connector, that quick connector. Use a screwdriver, just disconnect it. Real simple process, man. Anybody could do this. Real easy. Take that off. All right. Then you got the hoses. It's pretty straightforward process too. You got two clamps on the middle one. It has one of those factory clamps. You gotta squeeze. You gotta use your little pliers to move it around, wiggle it. Sometimes they get stuck, but it'll come out. Make sure you got your bucket down there. It's gonna spill. Don't, especially if you're doing it outside, somewhere in the parking lot. You don't want nobody seeing you dropping that on the ground, even though it's just cooling the water, whatever. But you know how people be. So, just trying to look a little bit more professional. That's what it is. Saving the environment. So yeah, we just so I clamp it down. I use my pliers, pressure pliers, just clamp it down. Make sure it's clamped. Hey man, y'all hit that follow, man, and like the video. I mean, ain't nothing crazy, ain't nothing big, but a little bit helps, man, here and there. And I'm not doing this, to get anything off of it. I do get something off of it, it'll be nice, but I'm trying to help people out too, man. Yeah, I struggle too, trying to find out how to do things, and I had to learn the hard way. So I'm trying to show people how to do things, my way, and I try to do the easiest way possible to have everybody could do it, But like I said, it's a straightforward process. It has two hoses, one on top, one on the bottom. You just gotta take the other hose off, the other clamp. This way is the easiest way with a needle pliers like this. It makes it a lot easier to grab it. Take that off, and then you only got two screws, two 10mm screws. Take those things off. I use my little ratchet, electric ratchet. Makes the process a lot faster. Take it out. And then everything else is just pretty much straightforward, Reverse the process for installation. And that's about it, man. The video keeps going, with the installation process, but obviously y'all already needed what y'all needed. Y'all could go ahead and start it. But if y'all still want to keep going, man, just keep watching. Same thing, just put everything back on. That pump comes with a ground. It is an Amazon pump, so I'm not sure how good it is, but I could leave the link on the description if y'all need it, and that way y'all could go ahead and order the same one I did. Well, the customer ordered it, so it's pretty much straightforward, man. the plastic that's underneath the shield, that shield that's underneath there, I took it off first. I didn't show a video on how to do it, but it has 3 screws in the back and like about 4 screws in the front. The 3 screws in the back are like Torx, and then the front ones are 10 millimeters. Take those off, and that plastic whole thing comes off. Yeah, just screw this back on. Put your hoses back on. Then you gotta fill your reservoir with coolant. Make sure you add coolant. You can add distilled water just to check for any leaks, and then just drain it again and put coolant. But if you're confident in what you're doing, just do coolant, and that'll be good to go. But yeah, man, I'm gonna cut the video right here because everything else is pretty much just putting it back together. So I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Just hit that follow and like. Every little bit helps, man. I'm trying to help y'all out. I'm gonna try to make a little bit more videos often. I've been out for a while, but I'll be trying to make something, at least every week. Try to make something different for y'all. But I appreciate y'all, man. Thank you for watching.